Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you.
Birthday, Mama, I miss you. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. And you, and you, and you, and you. Cheers. Cheers. Okay.
Happy birthday, Mother. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May you have more birthdays to come, Mother. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Happy 90th birthday, Mamang. I hope you enjoy in the Philippines. Sana humaba pa yung buhay mo. Pasensya ka na kasi hindi kami makapunta dyan. Kasi busy ako lagi. And then, lagi akong naglalaro ng Tong Eats. Naglilinis ako ng hotel ko. Ito, umiinom na naman kami. Kaya pasensya ka na. I hope you enjoy your day today. Bye, Mamang. I love you. Hope to see you soon again. Magtotong Eats pa tayo. Bye!
Happy birthday, Mamang.
We wish you good health and prosperity.
We love you and we'll see you soon.
Mamang, happy birthday. Ngayong 19 ka na, papayagan ka na naming magjowa. Ayan, pwede ka na magjowa, Mamang. At dahil birthday mo daw, ayan, may dance number daw si Kuya. Ayan. Happy birthday, Mang. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. Take care always. Mang, uwi ka na. Madami tayong crispy patang kakainin. Woo! Rock and roll to the world! Hello, Mamang. Ito, seryoso na. Happy 90th birthday sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Miss ka na namin, Mamang. Balik ka na dito sa Hawaii. Love you. Miss you, Mamang.
Happy birthday, Mamang. We love you. We miss you. See you soon. Happy birthday, Mamang.
Hello po sa lahat dyan. Binabatay ko po si Mamang na happy birthday po, Mamang. Sana malusog ka. Huwag mong pabayaan yung katawan mong, yung mga gamot mo. Itik mo araw-araw. More birthday to come, Mamang. Ingat. Love you. Miss you, Mamang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you, Mama. I miss you.
Hi, Manay! Happy birthday, my Manay!
Mga taon mo, 90 years old already.
Okay. Manay, nagasad ka. Naabot mo 90 years old. Sorry, Manay. Nag-pull up ka tel daw, di ka na sumbatan. Nakabibisi ako gamin. Dati apok na taga Las Vegas. Sunahan ka na sumbatan. I miss you. Ay, maragsakan at tunay manan ko. Naabot mo 90 years old. Sakay kumatag na nayon ka. Lahat ka na nasa langkat. Okay?
Karot ka na
Okay,
sa ka,
Manay.
Hawaii. when you come back in Hawaii.
Okay. Bye! Hi, Kalagis! Happy 90th birthday! Take care of yourself and more birthdays to come. Love you and aloha!
Hi Mamang, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Take care. We love you.
Happy 90th birthday, Mamang. Unang-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa poong may kapal dahil binigyan kanyang lakas ng pangangatawan upang makapiling ka pa namin ng matagal. Blessing ka dahil naabot mo yung ganyang edad. At napaka-blessing din namin dahil nagkaroon kami ng isang inang napakabait at mapagmahal. Basta enjoy lang, Mamang. Magkwahaw ka hanggang gusto mo. Kung gusto mo, mag-boyfriend ka pa. Susuportahan kita. Bibigyan kita pang date. Basta enjoy lang. Joke lang. Basta enjoy ka lang, Mamang. Magkwahaw ka hanggang gusto mo. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa lahat ng dumalo sa kaarawan ng ni Mamang. Naway mag-enjoy kayo sa special day niya. Yun lang. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday ulit, Mamang. I love you so much. Andito lang si Bunso. Love you.